Hi guys, you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x, given that we have x to the power of 2 equals 8 to the power of x. Now from here, let us introduce natural log ln to both sides. We have ln of x to the power of 2 equals ln of 8 to the power of x. So from here we have this will come down to the base here, 2 ln of x equals, this will also come down, we have x ln of 8. Now guys, from here let's divide this one by x, then let's also divide this one by 2. Now obviously this will cancel this, we have ln of x divided by x equals, this will also cancel this, ln of 8 divided by 2. Now from here we can have this as, when you have 1 divided by a equivalent to a to the power of minus 1. This one is in form of fraction, this one is in form of negative index. So this also implies, by applying it to this, we have ln of x dot, this is as x to the power of minus 1. We can have this as this to be equals ln of 8 divided by 2. Now guys, we have to know the relationship between exponents and natural log. When you have e to the power of ln of a, this will give you back your a. And the reason is that the exponent and natural log normally cancel each other, which implies that for this, when you have e to the power of ln of x to the power of minus 1, this will definitely give you back s to the power of minus 1. So instead of writing this one here, we substitute this. And so therefore, we have ln of x from here, thus instead of writing this one, we put this one here, e to the power of ln of x to the power of minus 1 equals ln of 8 divided by 2. Now, we realize that we have power minus 1. This can come down to the base. We have ln of x dot e to the power of, the base of this one is here, minus 1 ln of x equals ln of 8 divided by 2. But our concern now here is that we want to make sure that the power is the same thing as the base, but for the power we have negative, we need to multiply through by minus in order to get the negative at the base here. So multiply through by negative, this will be minus ln of x, then multiply by e to the power of minus ln of x equals, definitely this one will not be multiplied by negative, minus ln of 8 divided by 2. Now, at this junction, let's note this expression. Then we call from something we call Lambert W function. Lambert W function, and that one says that when you have Lambert W function of a multiplied by e to the power of a, the output will be either of the one, a. That is, when you have the Lambert W function of fish, then multiplied by e to the power of fish, this will give you back your fish. Now our concern here is that the base and the power must be the same, and look here, we have the base to be the same thing as the power, so we can introduce Lambert W function. Now applying the Lambert W function to the equation star, we have Lambert W function of minus ln of x dot e to the power of minus ln of x equals Lambert W function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. So by applying the law of Lambert, to find the base and the power are the same, the output will be either of the 1 minus ln of s equals W Lambert function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. So let's take the negative back to the power here. We have ln of x to the power of minus 1 equals W Lambert function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. So we want to eliminate this to get the value of x. Raise the power as this. This will cancel this. We have x to the power of minus 1 equals e to the power of W Lambert function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. So this equals 1 divided by s equals e to the power of Lambert W function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. And so when you cross multiply from here, we have our x to be equals 1 divided by e to the power of Lambert W function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. Now, from here, we have to recall from where we say the Lambert W function of fish multiplied by e to the power of fish will give us fish. And this also equals W function of fish multiplied by e to the power of W of fish. So from here, we can make this as a subject. Then we are going to have e to the power of W function of fish to be equals fish divided by W Lambert function of fish. So by applying it here, definitely we are going to have our x to be equals 1 divided by, this is our fish, then it will be minus ln of 8 divided by 2, then also divided by the W Lambert function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2. So definitely this will be equals minus W function of ln of 8, x finally will now be equals minus W function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2 divided by ln of 8 divided by 2. So, and this equivalent to minus 2 W Lambert function of minus ln of 8 divided by 2 then divided by ln of 8. So when you press all this, then you find the W Lambert function of this, you divide by this one, multiply by this, we have our x to be equals, approximately equals minus 0.559, and this is the final answer for the value of x. And likewise, let's take a look at something reasonable. Now, by considering the question given to us, we have, by using the diagram, x to the power of 2 to be equals 8 to the power of x. Now when you have our graph as this, minus y plus y, then from here, for x squared is an exponent, so we are going to have the graph for this as this. Now, in the case of 8 to the power of x, then we are going to have the graph as this. So from here, we can see that at this point there's a kind of intersection, and that is why we have this one is exponent, this one is also exponent, and that's why we have the value of x to be equals minus 0.559 located at this point, minus 0.559. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.